This is a video about how to change blinds. Very short, straightforward. So that's the final product. Here's what it looked beforehand. I just had some old blinds on here I needed to take down. I pulled them off the wall. It left the clips up there. And I went ahead and removed the clips, which is very simple. This left some holes up in the frame, and the previous one was in the frame. I'm going to put this new set of blinds up above the frame. So first of all, let's see what we're looking at. We've got the blinds here. We have got a box of hardware inside. We've got a couple of clips to put into the wall. There's one, here's the other. We have a little handle at the bottom, a pull tab, and then we've got 4 wood screws, and that's about it. Very simple process. So I'm going to grab one of these clips, take it above the frame, put it into place, mark it with a pencil, and get that lined up. So there's some little holes. I will take then a drill and just drill into the wall to make it easier to screw the wood screws into the wall. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You can see the marks I made here, making sure everything's level and even. So here's the preliminary clips screwed initially into the wall, very loosely at first, just so that you can move them around as necessary. And then once you kind of have those lined up nicely, go ahead and screw them tight to the wall. Not all the way, but pretty close, because you'll still want to level them and then make sure everything is flush. And at the end here, I usually like to take a screwdriver so I don't strip the screws at the end. And I will use that to do the last little part to put them in place. And so here they are. Everything is flush to the wall. Things are level across the top so that the blinds will be level and they will hang down over the frame and cover the entire window. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab the blinds and put them up here and see where I want them to go. And the blinds are going to just really snap into this clip. It just kind of, you open it up and you snap it in, you put the top in like this and just kind of push in until you hear a snap. Do it on each side, and bingo, there you go. That's what it looks like in place. Once you have that aligned, then you want to go ahead and move it a little left, a little right, make sure that it's centered on the window, and then you can pull down the shade a bit just to make sure that everything is working properly. Take a step back, make sure that it is all good and aligned properly. And so with that, the one last piece to do here is to get that little tab, which is a little pull tab that you're going to attach to the bottom. It just clips on. You line it up with the middle of the window, clip it on to the bottom, and then that lets you lift it up and down. And voila, here is the final product with the shade fully installed, pulled down, centered, aligned, good to go.